Imagine a future where humanity voyages among the stars, blazing trails across the cosmos faster than ever thought possible. It might sound like science fiction, inspired by shows like Star Trek, where the USS Enterprise zips through space at warp speeds. But what if I told you that such interstellar travel isn't just fantasy anymore? Meet Mexican physicist Miguel Alcubierre Moya. Inspired by the warp drives of science fiction, he dared to explore whether faster-than-light travel could be real. His groundbreaking concept, the Alcubierre warp drive, bends the fabric of space-time itself. Picture this: a ship nestled within a warp bubble. In front, space-time compresses, while behind it expands. This distortion allows the vessel to leap from one point in space to another faster than the speed of light. But here's the catch. Traditional warp drives require negative energy, a concept only theorized and elusive in our universe. Enter applied physics, a team of innovators in New York City. They've pioneered a revolutionary approach using positive energy, a feasible alternative grounded in known physics. Instead of negative energy, they propose a shell of dense matter that generates gravity to propel the spacecraft within the warp bubble. Think of it like riding an elevator through space, where passengers feel no acceleration. Eric Lentz, physicist at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, weighs in on the challenges. Warp bubbles require meticulous control to synchronize time inside and outside the vessel, crucial for safe passage through distorted space-time. Imagine the possibilities, reaching Alpha Centauri in weeks instead of millennia. This isn't just a leap in technology, it's a leap in human exploration, opening doors to a future where the stars are within our grasp. As we marvel at the vastness of space and the potential of warp drive technology, one question lingers. What distant star would you journey to first if interstellar travel became a reality? Would it be Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri, or perhaps somewhere even farther? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.